Hello guys, welcome to TechFix tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a paid Telegram channel. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Telegram app, then click the pencil button at the bottom right corner, and then create your new channel. Don't forget to private your channel. And once you've done, go to your browser and then search the invite member bot and add it to your Telegram. Once the bot is in your Telegram now, click start and create a project. Now after that, select a paid channel. And since you've created a channel before, let's proceed. And now go back to your created channel and add this bot as an admin. And now uncheck everything except the invite users via link. Now go back to bot and let's proceed. It said that you need to send any message coming from your channel, so forward any message coming from your channel. Now select the currency you would use and how often they will pay and the amount of it. Now let's go to bot fodder to create a bot and just type new bot and name your bot. And now copy the HTTP API, then paste it to the last bot you've used. And after that, just proceed to everything. And then that's it. You've successfully created a paid channel on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.